In this video, I'm going to show how I made my mountain meadow landscape soap. First, I did the grass and used a piping bag to make wildflowers. I decided to make my wildflowers yellow and purple so they would stand out well against the green. I repeated this several times to get a layered effect, carefully going over the flowers with more green every time. Next, I poured the layer that will become my mountains, pouring carefully so as to not break through the layer underneath. To make the mountains themselves, I made a scraping tool out of cardboard that I cut into the shape I wanted. Next, I poured the sky layer, also pouring carefully so it wouldn't alter the shape of the mountains. Next, I added some clouds, which I piped on using a piping bag. This was my first time making clouds, so I decided to try a variety of shapes to see what results they would yield. Just like in the wildflower layer, I carefully covered the clouds with more blue, also using a piping bag for the blue to break the fall of the soap so it wouldn't break through. I repeated layering the clouds a couple more times to give some more interest to the bar and simulate real clouds. After around 3 days, I was able to unmold and cut the soap, and this is what it looks like. I decided to cut the rest outside to get some more natural lighting. And here's the finished bar in natural sunlight.